Hello, we are at Relleke Pumpkin Farm today, and there is lots of exciting things going on. We're gonna check out and see what we can see. Come with us. Come on. You want to go?
I'm watching Toberry Brothers. Toberry Brothers, if you're watching it, I like your channels.
Yeah. You gotta go subscribe to me. Yeah. my YouTube channel is Toriana Morton. I got some dance stuff I haven't vlogged in a year.
Oh my god! They were so funny! It's so hard to get all of them. It's so hard to get all of you guys. Okay, bye.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
I'm gonna subscribe.
Just subscribe to my channel.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Huh?
Bye.
Bye.
Wait, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
Don't mess with the Mamasaurus.
Good to ride.
We can't go yet.
Yeah, okay. All right, you want to be in the middle? Okay. You want to do it? Okay.
Ready, set, go! So scary.
Oh, you beat me.
Again. I'm going to ride the train. I'm going to ride the train. It's too loud. Whoa. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ready? Set, go.
What in the tarnation backwoods Kentucky was that? That was a pumpkin chucker. You learned something today. Oh, my turn? Is it my turn? Oh, it is amazing. They have animals. They have spider webs for kids to play on. They have pumpkins you can chuck. They have pumpkins you can buy. They got pumpkins you can paint. They got pumpkins you can dye. They have pumpkins everywhere. You can eat the pumpkins. They even have pumpkin butter. What more can you ask for? Hi, you Bennett? Oh, hi. There's your other nose. Hi. Hi. Oh, yep, we got a cow smudge. Hi, Piggy. Hi, Piggy. How you doing? What was your snoot? Your snoot okay? It's okay. Piggy. Hi, Piggy Pig.
I'm gonna ride the camel.
She's gonna ride the camels. You know why they need the fire department? Because I'm on fire. Thank you guys so much for joining us today at Relleke Pumpkin Farm. We are glad that you came with us. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed today. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some of our future content.
My hat.
Bye!
My hat.
There's something strange on our windshield.
Gotcha!